Well, I've read that Umberto, they are really similar to the band Goblin, who did the soundtrack for the Dario Argento films. So I'm expecting something similar. Yeah, like sort of really dark and tense music.
We used to live down the street from a shop in Chicago that put out his first record.
People don't know which film it is tonight, don't they not? So is it Hellraiser? I'm just...
Preference? I don't have a preference, but I'm excited to see what it's actually going to be. I have some ideas, but...
Well, they showed like an 80s like horror flick with some like electronic or shadow improvised stuff over the top. To the, so it's like a play on like a silent film, but with like more contemporary context. Yeah, that's pretty good though. Yeah. The film was really good. It's kind of a segue film itself.
Umberto was really good, like heavy sounds and
kind of reminiscent of John Carpenter stuff. That kind of as well.
Scary, but really, really good. Just wonderful. Wonderful, really great night.